bike, brush, camera, drone, umbrella, textbook, bike, brush, camera, drone, umbrella, textbook, bike, brush, camera, drone, umbrella, textbook.
누구의 물건인지 묻고 답하는 표현을 연습해 봅시다. Whose 물건 이름 is this? Let's practice. Whose brush is this?
It's mine.
Whose umbrella is this?
It's Jane's.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am.
Whose textbook is this?
It's mine.
Whose drone is this?
It's Paul's.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am. Whose painting is this?
It's mine.
Whose brush is this?
It's Emily's.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am.
Whose umbrella is this?
It's mine.
Whose textbook is this?
It's Jesus.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am.
Whose drone is this?
It's mine.
Whose painting is this?
It's Minnow's.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am.